Red House, led by and Harry. Yashwant Lal to become Blue House Vice Chancellor Sheikh Livingstone following behind Walker is leading team. He wants to become an army officer, Greenhouse Girl Captain is single. Her ambition is to become a doctor. Greenhouse Vice Captain is Universal. He wants to become Navy officer. Greenhouse Vice Captain is Australia. She wants to become an IPS officer. Yellow House Boy Captain is Absolutely. He wants to become a businessman. Yellow House Boy Captain is Germany. Her ambition is to become a doctor. Yellow House Vice Captain is Harsha. He wants to become a businessman. Yellow House Vice Captain is Krishna. Her ambition is to become an IAS officer.
Leading the contingent with pride and discipline is Asma School CBSE head boy A. Santosh Dilip, an aspiring rocket scientist with his eyes on the stars and his heart dedicated to the service of nation. Behind him, walking gracefully, is our head girl P. Susanna Shrita, who dreams of exploring the mysteries of the ocean as a marine scientist with a spirit committed to both science and humanity. We now have the four houses marching towards the dignitaries. First comes the Ruby House. We see the Ruby House salute by Captain P. Omver with a grit of a future military officer. Following him, the girl Captain Amita Rao steps forward with a vision of becoming a successful entrepreneur. Supporting them is the Vice Captain L. Tanuj, another business leader in the making, and the girl Vice Captain G. Lalitya, who carries the noble dream of saving lives as a cardiologist. This is the Ruby House. We also have the sports captain G. Adil, whose remarkable skills in basketball and football inspire his peers to aim higher. Now we see the graceful Sapphire House, its serene blue color representing infinite opportunities. At the front, saluting is the Captain Chanakya, who dreams of becoming an IAS officer. The girl Captain Miss Maheen aspires to be a chartered accountant. Vice Captain Samuel is working towards becoming an engineer, while the girl Vice Captain Ritika dreams of earning her name as a renowned cardiologist. Following closely is the Emerald House, representing the sacred stone of Goddess Venus, a true emblem of harmony, wisdom and love. At the helm, we see the flag salute by Captain Mr. Jagadishwar, whose ambition is to serve as a dedicated IAS officer. The girl Captain, Miss Satchameghana, dreams of becoming an astronaut. Vice Captain Murli Karthik envisions a career in law, and girl Vice Captain P. Nikita aims to become the CEO of her own company. Like lush green fields after rain, Emerald House inspires freshness of thought and resilience. Next in line is the Topaz House. Leading with determination is the captain, Mr. Akhil, an aspiring marine engineer, supported by the girl captain, V. Lakshmi Bhagavi, who aims to become an investment banker. The girl vice captain, Sana Kulsum, aspires to bring smiles to young patients as a pediatrician. The sports leadership of this house is equally impressive. We have the sports girl captain T. Bhagavika, an award-winning chess champion and an aspiring gynecologist. We also have the vice sports captain P. Ranveer, aiming to be an aeronautical engineer. Girl sports vice captain Niharika, who is also aspiring to excel in cardiology. Together, they embody the Tobacco spirit of brilliance and innovation. The vice head boy Parvati and vice head girl Moksha Sri also support the school by aspiring to become a chartered accountant, and Mokshasri wants to enter into the field of finance. Together, these four houses, Ruby, Emerald, Topaz and Sapphire, form the strong backbone of HFS School CBSE. And so here, the march that describes the young leaders with heads held high, eyes filled with zeal, and hearts committed to excellence. This is the future right in front of your eyes.
The vice head girl is Priyadarshini. Her ambition is to become an Navy officer. The vice head boy is Purnachandra. His ambition is to become an aeronautical engineer. Our freedom was not gifted. It was earned through blood, sweat, and unwavering determination of countless heroes, from Mahatma Gandhi's non-violent resistance to the fierce voice of Bhagat Singh and Subhash Chandra Bose. Each played a vital role in awakening our nation. Their legacy calls us not only to remember, but to act to uphold the values they fought for our independence. Independence is not merely the absence of foreign rule. It is the presence of opportunity. Today, as we are gathered together,